For my verification on the documents, kasi nangyayari na kasi ang kaso before pa na ako pumasok. Kasi to tell you frankly, sir, pumasok ako dito noong August of 2020 pa lang. The implementation of that Nabal housing project has already been started. So based on the documents na the Pentextar bought the property from a certain Dumaguete City Development Bank, and then kasi part of the contract between the NHA and the developer is design and build. So meaning to say, the developer will look for a property and then tatayuan ng mga housing units. That's the contract between the NHA and the developer. So here comes the developer, a titled property under the Dumaguete City Development Bank. Pinapurchase nila in good faith. So meaning to say, the title is under the name of Dumaguete City Development Bank, and then pinapurchase ng Pentextar Construction. Part of the is the Pentextar should have to transfer the titles in the name of NHA. We do not know exactly how big is the area na ang pinopurchase ng Pentextar, but then ang tinatayuan lang ng housing units namin is about 1,000 ata, something like ilang area ba yon? Para mga 1 hectare lang ang subject to legislation. So here comes the claimant. So sa part naman ng developer is sinasabi nilang binili namin ito sa Dumaguete City Development Bank. So ang title is clean, walang encumbrance, pero we have entertained naman because ang tao naman is may rights talaga to claim, no? Kung talagang may documentation lang sila. So ang nangyayari, in short, there are 4 cases right now with that property. So, merong forcible entry na 2, merong isa na recovery of possession, and then quieting of title. Yung 2 na dismiss na in favor of the National Housing Authority, ongoing ngayon ang 2 cases. So, on the part naman of the National Housing Authority, in good faith yung developer na bumili sa property namin, and then no clean title with no encumbrance, kaya nga nagpatayo kami. But naging hindrance talaga sa development namin dahil nga meron talaga mga intervention. So yun lang ang masasabi ko tungkol dyan sa it's true na may kaso talaga yung property na yan.
Just let the court decide.
And then yun nga ang masasabi ko, let the court decides kasi nandun na sa korte yung proceedings.
Pero ang kahit nandun sa korte, according to the Ducalios family, 2 years nang nakating ganyan sa MTC na ba yung kaso, hindi pa umuusad. Ito ba'y makakahadlang sa pagpapatuloy at pagtatapos ng proyekto ng NHA?
As per natin, sir, there is no such thing as walang injunction for us to stop.
So tuloy lang.
Kaya nga tuloy. As of today, meron na kaming naitayo na 900 plus. Parang na lang 30 plus na lang yung kulang. Kasi yung kulang doon is nagsisecure pa kami ng nakasecure na kami ng clearance from the DENR on the cutting of trees. Yung na lang on-site na 2 structure na hindi pa namin ma-demolish. Kasi kailangan pa namin talagang talaga ng clearance. Kasi ang NHA naman talaga is not really na i-implement kaagad. We have to secure clearances. Para at least naman going smooth yung implementation natin. Hindi illegal. Due process. Oo, yun.
Nanawagan na po ang pamilya Ducalios hanggang kay Presidente Marcos na tulungan sila dyan sa problema sa lupa.
Yun na nga, sir. They have the right naman, but then let the court decide.
Okay, so kayo naman, sir, ano naman ang message mo, panawagan mo sa kanila, yung mga
Okay, ganito na lang siguro. On the part naman of the National Housing Authority, we bought that property, our developer bought that property in good faith. Kung meron mang mga documents prior to that so they can present naman in court. Hindi ko naman masasabi na mag-withdraw or something basta nandun na sa korte, let the court decides, and kung ano ang decision sa korte, we have to respect it. Yun lang ang masasabi ko. We have to respect whether favor sa NHA or favor sa kanila because that is a court decision. We have to respect it.
So, ano ko lang sir, bali, sa ngayon, hindi ma-stop yung pag-construct natin ng bahay doon, yung remaining 30.
Yes, sir.
So,
Hindi
kahit
siya talaga
na-
kasi walang injunction talaga. Only the court can issue for NSA or to the developer to stop
National project kasi.
national project kasi siya. Mas lalo na housing programs for the calamity victims.
Supreme Court.
Parang ang pagkakaalam ko Supreme Court ang mag-i-issue. Injunction. I'm not really exposed to the mga legal terms, but yun lang ang alam ko.
Oo.
Pero at least sila doon, yung mga trabahante doon, yung developer doon, alam naman nila baka mayroon mga harassment, alam naman natin.
It was happened before, but it was no harassment on the part of the on the part of the NHA. We don't
Yes.
harass.
Okay.
Ang sa amin lang is we implement according to the limits and bounds of the property owned by the developer.
Mhm.